Hello, good day, and welcome to Ernex Autoworld. I am Ernex, the automobile consultant. So, and I make myself for overheating of cars. Yeah, so if today is your first time being on my channel, please do all to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Yeah, do not skip this video because it's going to help you. And pimping, your car overheats. Sometimes, yeah, negligence of certain issues. I thought as well, a fault one or two bianca or see a share, and send your car. No. So open so car overheat here. Yeah, well, some dashboard signs also you will notice it. So as you are seeing on your screen, that dashboard sign now and that will screen is no. And also will notice it. Say a sorry red and I say, oh you so cannot say sorry. Also say o car no overheat. The next thing you have to do is say obe pack SC baby. Now what be bonnet so please and please again. Say ubi bonnet so radiator tank no main be anything so because the car ni overheat here the coolant na radiator tank ni ma na say so kan na radiator tank ni ma yes the moment be so pay a bit too abashro you might get hurt, so please and please again if say o car overheat na say o pack here who internal so pack here send away be radiator tank ni so input say ube be radiator tank so you have to wait for let's say 10 to 15 minutes or approximately 20 to 30 minutes and some will be so and I say open say ube radiator tank so don't use your bare hand now there be radiator tank so get a rag or a cloth then you fold it into any how you want to fold it then you use it to open the radiator tank and say ube so then for when you bang can inside the baby engine one correctly stretch your hand now say odo on san kwana aben baby radiator tank no be so to prevent any accident from happening. So we are going to check the causing overheating. One, your negligence of putting in water and I say coolant in our cars. So one for ensure and good care and as one for coolant and good care the possibility say we can ever overheat if say uchino for some period of time and not the ebe overheat if say uchino if say fault be any car and I say the baby can on a pass number can say any fault be a that's one for ensure and good care and I say ensure a work and enough to work with the car and I say to drive the car over some kilometers can be overheated. Yeah, so our negligence is one of not filling the radiator tank or the coolant uh, with coolant. Yeah, the coolant tank with coolant. And please again, coolant. Although say you can use water, but never use water. Main use to ensure. Although say every liquid has a boiling point, but the boiling point of coolant and ensure and is different. And it's very best even with a radiator tank and another water tank na no. A very best say o de obetimede coolant hiding egum instead of a ensure. So o the coolant be radiator tank na the coolant tank. So the negligence is one of them. And number two, let's talk about the radiator tank. You'll be asking, then radiator tank. This is the radiator tank on your screen. Yeah, so this radiator tank must say a rust if it rust. And I say if say BBC so. And I say if say enchain baby SAR a bit near leaky. Any leaky so say coolant negumo enso negumo a bit nunagu. Yeah, any nunagu so enso negumo. It works as say be a engine in there's a cooling engine down with the coolant no. And I say the entire coolant next say anytime the coolant no is as a reservoir say ensure so air the more na ukika na coolant so air akogu radiator tank nim amana bo amaka na ide aweke so anytime the coolant no at least I was say oma coolant ide ewo okani yeah anytime you also oma coolant ewo okani and the next thing I was say kasa found I third one thermostat yeah thermostat no eno eboa ema ensuo na odi egu radiator tank nim no ene coolant no regulate yeah thermostat no eboa Emma nsuo na odegu radiator no any coolant na den ewekie echo engine nim eba radiator nim ekuli engine no as you are driving. And the next one here, water cooler. Water cooler, no, it works hand in hand with the thermostat and the radiator, as I'm saying. So the member who you'll be seeing the picture on the screen. The mechanic wants to be seeing the picture on the screen. So the next one, no, a water cooler, and I say water pump, no, yeah. So ensure water tank, ni man, I say radiator, ni ma, a call a far thermostat ma the water cooler no regulate manico engine na manico engine da if the engine heat ya those water coolers no sana so water cooler no essay and so water cooler no enye adwuma bi ma essay the possibility say o car no be heat air very high so thermostat essay the possibility say o car no be heat air very high the radiator no so want to chima na say radiator no baby essay na say erastia possibility say o car no be heat air high. So you should take note of this. And I want to neglect a host now in so near the FM, no host now in so near the FM. No. Say, us packet car, this is why. I thought that I say host need be one you wouldn't notice it. I could say electric car for some time and send a host name one pie and say, can't heat those hosts in the middle day. So before you realize, no, maybe I know thermostat and say, maybe I know water cooler so near them and say, because the host no one pine coolant and also ensure won't be a bedding, a benuable form. Coolant and also ensure it won't be a benuable form. If today is your first time be on my channel, please do want to subscribe, like, comment. And if you've been on this channel before, you know, see a post car price, so here car, we are getting a contact Ernex Autoworld. And I say, open car parts be a swata, maybe on what business so maybe I can contact the number beneath the screen. We are going to get that part for you. Also send me a picture. That's why I send a picture. I'm say, hey, at the corner where they open up, you send us the money, we buy it for you. Who come say, oh Ghana, baby, and I say, oh here car, you can contact us. Hey Ghana, ni, oh outside, that's what I saw about Ghana. Oh here car, rentals, and I say, hey, be a open car, or the bed open car, to the bed home. You can contact Ernex to oh car garage, oh come say Ghana, I say, that's what I say, you buy a boy with advertisement. You can contact the number beneath the screen. Put on car parts via Ghana say over say that other boy with advertisement you can contact the number beneath the screen. Yeah, so let's continue. So kind of hit here as I said the host no better the pie host no ho in your pie so the possibility say in so no radiator no any coolant in your bed e be nyunagu in so no radiator no any coolant in your bed e be nyunagu and say car overheat here one thing I say no enya overheat here na say part bi say that one thing it must say no so gasket na that screen so but so on say o gasket no asay the car no edwo ana say car no cool down cra o de ensure ana say coolant egu radiator tank ni no ene coolant tank ni area no was packet car no o packet car na either so be mo bi atnem ana say wa betem na mo bi ahwe baby radiator tank ni den e wono men kata radiator tank ni tini so yeah men kata radiator tank ni den etini so normally as lorry car no or as lorry car na both baby a odin so no do yen e bi pu aba see pu ba no say o gasket na den asay head gasket here we call it head gasket because your gasket be very okay the head gasket na den I say the patch once is our head gasket anytime be say what is say be wom kra na what is say be part be wom kra na where they can be overheat because head gasket no enya share no matter coolant no matter insua no matter thermostat no matter water cooler no where they can be overheat and the last one I be kasa afa ho the last one I be kasa afa ho a fan fan na worker no fan na worker because you know say yes like a car fan be bottom start let ya work the fan no work here possibility say o car no be overheat high the fan no work here possibility say o car no be overheat very high. So as I said, that is the last thing we're talking about. If today is your first time here on my channel, please do want to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.